The most rewarding part of owning a Stearman for me is, number one, owning a piece of history, but as far as flying it, it's being right out in the elements. Of course, you don't want to fly it when it's below about 50 degrees or above about 95 because it's just not super comfortable. But a beautiful morning when it's nice and quiet and still and you haven't got all the clouds in the sky, it's pretty enjoyable. You get some fantastic views. The challenging aspect of flying a Stearman is that for most of us, we didn't learn in a Stearman. I happen to have learned in a Stearman and then transitioned over to tricycle, and it was quite a few years before I got back to flying a Stearman again. So unlearning our lazy feet of not using the rudder, and when you're landing, not being able to see down the runway because your deck angle is so high, and making sure you're still pointing down the runway so you don't ground loop the aircraft or go somewhere you don't want to go, like off the runway. For me to own a piece of history like this is a couple of fold, in that you have a responsibility to make sure it stays as much of a Stearman as you possibly can, and treat it with the respect that it's earned. It's, you know, it's a 1941 Stearman, and it's been around longer than I have, and it's in a lot better shape than I'm in. So I want to make sure that it stays that way and respect it for what it is and the history it represents.